If you're considering starting Amazon KDP, you should know that the platform has evolved significantly over the years. While the core of the business remains the same, publishing and selling books, how you approach it today must align with the current landscape. I have gathered some information and insights from thousands of other publishers, and I broke down what works now and how you can leverage this knowledge to build a thriving KDP business. The first and most crucial step is shifting your mindset. Many people approach new ventures with skepticism or a half-hearted attitude, thinking they'll test it out for a month and move on if it doesn't yield immediate results. This mindset is a recipe for failure. Building a KDP business, or any legitimate business, takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and expecting instant results will only lead to disappointment. Success often starts to materialize after a few months, and substantial progress typically comes after a year or more. Others might achieve similar milestones faster or slower, but the key is commitment. To determine if KDP is the right business for you, ask yourself a few essential questions. First, do you dislike working with demanding clients? Unlike freelancing or running an agency, KDP allows you to operate independently. You're not beholden to clients' constant demands or scrambling to secure new ones. This makes KDP particularly appealing if you value autonomy and flexibility. Second, are you looking for a beginner-friendly business model? KDP is ideal for newcomers because it eliminates many complexities of traditional businesses. With print-on-demand and digital products, you don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, refunds, or customer service. Amazon handles all of that for you. This allows you to focus solely on creating high-quality books. Lastly, are you interested in building a source of passive income that can potentially fund your retirement? KDP offers a unique combination of immediate cash flow and long-term investment potential. Each book you publish is like a piece of digital security. It remains on Amazon indefinitely, earning royalties month after month. Given Amazon's dominance in the marketplace, the platform is unlikely to disappear, making this a reliable way to generate consistent passive income while leaving a legacy of your work. If you answered yes to these questions, KDP is an excellent choice for you. However, to succeed, you need to go all in. Casual experimentation won't cut it. Treating KDP as a serious business and dedicating consistent effort will set you apart from those who give up too soon. It's a simple yet powerful model. Publish high-quality books, market them effectively, and grow your audience over time. The beauty of KDP lies in its accessibility and scalability. You can start with minimal investment, learn as you go, and reinvest your earnings to expand your reach. Over time, the royalties from your books can grow into a significant income stream. By adopting the right mindset and committing to the process, you can build a KDP business that not only provides financial freedom, but also creates a lasting impact. If you're serious about succeeding with Amazon KDP, the journey requires dedication, consistency, and a clear strategy. This isn't a business where you dabble for a month or two expecting immediate wealth. Instead, it's a venture that rewards those who are willing to go all in for at least a year. The results can be transformative, life-changing even. One crucial lesson for achieving success is to model what works. If your goal is to earn $15,000 per month through KDP, study what others who have achieved that goal are doing. For instance, if you're interested in activity books for kids, look at successful brands. If children's storybooks are your focus, analyze someone who earns over $20,000 a month. The key is to reverse engineer their success. Use tools like DS Amazon QuickView or BookBeam to gather insights about their books, such as bestsellers rank, BSR, and estimated monthly royalties. These tools can reveal if a book has consistent sales and provide a clearer picture of what works in the market. Once you've identified successful books, study them in detail. Look at their covers, titles, descriptions, and A+ content. Instead of copying one book, take inspiration from several successful ones. Combine the best elements into your own book, creating something unique yet competitive. This approach ensures you're learning from proven strategies while offering your own value to the market. Another essential principle is to focus on inputs rather than outcomes. Many people enter KDP with unrealistic expectations fueled by get-rich-quick stories online. They set lofty goals a month and quit when they don't achieve that within a few months. However, success in KDP is less about immediate results and more about consistent effort. Rather than fixating on how much money you want to make, concentrate on what you can control: the quality and quantity of the books you publish. For instance, if successful publishers averaging $12,000 a month have around 15 books, your focus should be on creating 22 high-quality books rather than obsessing over the revenue goal. While $700 per book per month is a reasonable expectation, the emphasis should always be on quality. Avoid spamming low-quality books just to hit a numerical target. Instead, take the time to ensure each book is engaging, well-designed, and meets the needs of your audience. Of course, there are no guarantees in business. Even if you follow all the steps, there's always some level of uncertainty. But by analyzing successful books, understanding their strategies, and creating something equally good, or better, you significantly increase your chances of success. It's about stacking the odds in your favor through preparation and effort. Consistency is the backbone of this business. The formula is straightforward: publish more books, market them effectively, and grow your audience. This cycle, repeated over time, builds momentum. Unlike other businesses, KDP doesn't require endless complexity. Its simplicity is its strength, but only if you're willing to stay consistent. The beauty of KDP lies in its scalability and passive income potential. Once you've established your business, it can become a source of income that runs with minimal daily effort. Many successful publishers, including myself, have achieved significant financial freedom through KDP. The road may require patience and persistence, but the rewards can be substantial for those willing to commit. Succeeding with Amazon KDP isn't about being exceptionally smart or skilled, it's about consistency. The foundation of success lies in committing to the key tasks and performing them repeatedly over time. Even if you don't feel particularly talented or experienced, showing up every day and putting in the work is what makes all the difference. I didn't need to be extraordinary. I just needed to stay consistent. With just 30 minutes to an hour each day, this business can be built efficiently, as long as you stay focused on the activities that truly matter. In the case of KDP, the core involves publishing books, marketing them, and building an audience. If you dedicate your time to these three activities, you'll achieve the bulk of your results. However, many people spend their time on the less impactful activities, such as scrolling social media, reading emails, or endlessly consuming content about KDP. While those things feel productive, they don't generate income. It's easy to fall into the trap of learning without doing, especially because consuming content is comfortable and risk-free. However, progress only comes from taking action, even if it feels risky or uncertain. There's a significant shift that needs to happen, moving from being a consumer to becoming a producer. Consumers passively take in information, but don't take the necessary steps to create something meaningful. Producers, on the other hand, create content, books, or marketing strategies that generate income. In the beginning, it's natural to spend more time learning because you need to understand the process. But the goal should be to transition as quickly as possible from mostly consuming to actively producing. Fear often holds people back from making this shift. Fear of failure, judgment, or losing time and money can keep you in the comfort zone of endless learning. But failure isn't something to avoid. It's the best teacher. The faster you fail, the quicker you can learn what doesn't work, make adjustments, and move toward success. Building a successful KDP business is about focusing on what truly matters and creating systems to scale. At first, you might do everything yourself. But as your business grows, reinvesting your profits into hiring help can save you time and increase your output. For example, hiring someone to design professional book covers can significantly improve your sales because the cover is often the first thing that attracts readers. As you progress, you can outsource other tasks like writing, illustrations, and formatting. Investing in tools such as keyword research software can also streamline your workflow and help you make smarter decisions. Over time, creating systems that handle most of the work will allow your business to generate income with minimal effort on your part. Many successful KDP publishers, myself included, have reached the point where the business runs on autopilot, requiring only 1 or 2 hours of work per day. This is what turns KDP into a true source of passive income. The key is to stay consistent, Focus on the activities that drive the most results, and build a structure that allows your business to grow even without constant attention. Thanks to advancements in technology, including AI tools, starting a KDP business has never been easier. If you're serious about building or scaling your KDP journey, now is the perfect time to take action. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, remember that the path to success lies in consistent effort, a willingness to learn from failure, and smart use of resources to scale. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.